So over here we have 2700. Now this thing is huge. Now, this wheel right here, I'm I don't know, I think I'm 5'1" or something, but these are about a foot taller than me, so this is probably about like 6 foot tall wheels. These are massive wheels. This was recently restored. I don't know what year, but I know it was restored. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Got some new paint, it looks, but this is a really cool locomotive. I know what that is, but I think it's a sign. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah. Let me know if you know what that is in the comments below. I'm not really sure what that is. But I'm here for the Polar Express today, and actually I was here yesterday for the Polar Express, but you know, today I'm just checking it out.